Hello everyone. Today we're going to. This is MLA automation, and we are in the working Globis, and we're going to continue our lessons on PHP. And today we're going to cover such type like float. But before we're going to do this, we need to do what? Yes, we need to check homework. So before we're going to go forward to the next type of PHP, we need quickly check our homework. Those who was on the previous lesson, remember that on the previous lesson was such type of PHP like integer, so we need to quickly recover to recheck what we remember from the integer, and also we also already know about the boolean, such type like boolean. So be with me, and we're going to quickly check this. I'm going to use as you already understand, the online PHP editor, because it's quickly and easy, but at the same time, if we go in the future, we're going to work with Notepad, Notepad plus. So there is a video where this program was installed, and it was showing step by step how it was made. So currently, who likes to work with the already with the local environment, who prepared local environment, can easily launch XAMPP. The video about the installation of XAMPP also is on the channel. So I'm going to quickly place running Apache, then MySQL, and PHP is already running, and I'm going to execute these different combinations, and to show that everything works. So how I'm going to do this? Very easy. I'm going to go to the localhost and to update the page, and to see that the result is here and everything was shown fine. Also, there is another way. It's possible to use PHP Storm. It also we're going to use in the future quite a lot, specifically PHP Storm. He going in the different versions. So by default, he has 30 minutes session for free version, and possible to run this this frame environment. I mean environment, and to see the same file with same text, and it's easy to run it. Just need to click Ctrl Shift F10, and it's going to execute this file and to show the result in our terminal. So if we're going, he is launching right now. It takes few minutes before. Okay, so we're going to go to click right button and choose Run PHP script, and he's little slowly working. Okay, so yeah, there we see result. So after execution of this PHP script, the result is in our console. We see that our console showing output of this file line by line, and so with these tools and these instruments, it's possible to go or with Notepad C++, or with the PHP Storm, or with the online editor, like you how you would like, how it's comfortable for you on this moment, because we're working, as you remember, with simply types, but it's important we making as a foundation to more serious and more complex things in the future. But at the same time, we working currently with the today with the okay, so returning back, we need to check our integer. So in the first line we have a variable a with the value integer 1 2 3, then goes variable b, then goes variable c. They have different numbers. First decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. And we have, as you see, we convert in every we have converting for boolean type. It's here, it's on this line in var dump. So we're going to execute and to see what is going to show us. True, it's showing true. To make it more interesting, we can even go another way. We can type like here. We can place B, and then goes C, and then run again. Okay, so we have in all those three variables we have true, true, true. It's mean that they that converted they correctly. Now we able to place negative integer and to see the result. And what you think is going to be? Right, it's showing true. So I'm confident, and I know that you already know the answers on these questions, because before you checked them. So I'm not going to go deeper, because the time is a variable for our lessons. That's why we're going to go forward, and today and at this sub lesson we're going to talk about the floats. So every number who has point, it automatically in PHP becoming as float, type float. So if I'm placed, okay, so we have these numbers, these A, B, C, D variables, and we have numbers. Now, okay, so you see this first A, B, C, D, all of them, they are float. So we can easily as you remember from the from homework, we have conversion for the bool. So now we able to check how it's going to convert from the float to bool. We just, what you think, what's going to be? As you remember, they all currently numbers, and they not having zero, they not empty with those variables. So I'm assuming you already came to the answer that it's going to be right, it's going to be true. Oh, and also we need to don't forget about the variable D. So we need to also to place D, and once more to run it and to see all of them true. Okay, so we came to this. Now there is another moment. We have numbers of float, which is we showing here. But remember, we already know about integers. So let's try to place here converting to integer. Those we're going to convert those variables from float to integer. I'm going to place here float, and now let's okay, so what do you think, what's going to happen? Okay, yes, it's already not boolean, it's integer. And what you think what's going to happen? Let's see, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, as you can see, as for when we convert him to integer, he is preparing as a simple number. So 1, then goes 1200 and 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, when we know none of them doesn't have a point, they have only simple numbers, right? So okay, this is what we currently finished today. We currently just tried and saw how it's going to be, how we look. Today we covered how floats looking, and we also figure out that how to convert them to integer, and as a result what they will have. And also we see that after, in the PHP 7.0.40 we have underscore. Okay, so as on this we're going to almost finishing our sub lesson, and but don't forget we still have a homework, and homework is going to be very simple, very simple. Okay, so we have here these numbers. This is going to be homework. And my question is going to be to understand what this to check what these two equals going to be. Okay, so I'm giving you some so I'm giving you some small help, or I mean prompt. If x variable x then goes to equals, then variable y, it means that it will checks what we have in any x and y, and this combination will return to us true or false. So very simple, true or false, it's going to bring us. That's why this part will be in the homework, this part. So please take a look, check what is going to happen, and we're going to and hope to see you on the next lesson, sub lesson. And thank you so much everyone who was on this short session. Thank you so much for all comments and all questions which is coming up, and I'm grateful for your time and attention. Please take a moment to recheck what we covered on this sub lesson, and let's see our next sub lesson in the next portion. And wish you everyone have a great and beautiful, incredible, cool day, and bye bye.